Hello. We are back with another honest review. This one is on HerGivenHair, and it's the Kinky Edges Wig. Oh my goodness, let me tell you. Whew, where do I begin? Hey there. Okay, so now, first of all, this unit is curly hair. It's been a long time since I've had a fresh curly hair unit from HerGivenHair. And let me tell you, I didn't realize how much I missed it. Oh my gosh, this hair feels divine. You know, the hairs that they have that are not been bleached at all, just, maybe curly or coily texture, they are the softest. They really are, and it feels so nice. Like I said, it's been a minute. Most of the units that I have here in Kuwait are the ones that are, most of them are kinky. Yeah, I think I pretty much just brought the kinky ones because those are so easy to deal with, and I don't have to worry about manipulating them too much when I style them. So when they sent me this one, I was like, you know what? I missed the curly units. I can't believe I didn't bring that many with me. But anyway, so as you see, I'm combing out my hair. It looks a little rough. As I was looking at it, I said, wait a minute, Steph. You can't keep your length if you snatch your ends. So that's a no-no. So I'm going to go ahead and put oils on my hair. And that one oil, you see, I actually got that in Kuwait. It's something that is kind of common to the Kuwaitis and the Indian ladies that are here in this country. So combing out my hair, getting it all ready to go ahead and put it into a protective style. So you'll soon see that. But I am tickled by my hair. I'm tickled by the gray hair. That's me being silly. Y'all don't pay me no mind. I wouldn't be me if I couldn't do a little silly moment in any one of my videos. But check this out. I'm always tickled when I see gray streaks in my hair, just random ones. They are funny. But as you can see how much my hair is gray on the ends and really throughout, when I put this wig on, child, we gonna forget I have any gray anywhere. You'll see. Yeah, so here I am putting it in the protective style and some cornrows. Now, they could have gone in a little bit tighter. I did have it a little bit thick, but that's okay. I was just trying to do something quick to, really get to filming this here video. I've been needing to do this footage for a minute. I've had this unit for over a month, playing with it, getting used to it, getting reacquainted with hair textures like this in my units, and being over here in Kuwait in this military base. I'm so limited on supplies, on everything. So that was kind of a downer, and it took me longer to get used to the unit than normal. But here we are today, so which is great. And in time for a sale, you guys, you'll see that down in the description block. So be sure you pay attention to that sale, the dates, and the money you can save. So, but on to the wig. Check this out. Do you see the edge? They've already put this kinky edge hair or kinky hair on it, so you can kind of mimic what some of our hair might look like, those of us that have kinkier hairlines or slightly kinky. So they came up with this, and I think it's pretty ingenious. So as you can see, the hairs look a little bit long, but we're going to deal with that, so don't worry about that. So now I'm putting the unit on. I wish I had a stocking cap. I didn't bring any out here with me. But we're just going to put this on, and we're just going to pretend like I protected my hair a lot better than I did. So as you see, I'm checking it out, seeing what needs to be tended to, and I'm customizing my kinky hairline. So that's what I'm doing here. These are really good professional shears, hair scissors, and I actually used my good ones on my wig. Well, actually, these are the only pair of scissors I brought with me, so tag, they're it. So yeah, so I just go ahead and play around with that, and I don't want to cut too much at once because you can always go back in, but once you cut it off, you're kind of done. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing, just kind of playing with it, and I'm going to tease it with this here edge control type of a brush comb doodad. So I'm just lightly teasing it. I really want to avoid putting a lot of hairspray in and like melting it to my scalp, so to speak, because I tried that the other time that I wore this unit. Well, actually the first time I wore the unit out, I tried that and I really didn't like it because it was it made the edges flatten and it didn't look realistic. So this is, you'll see, I'm going to go really easy on the Got to Be Glued spray, which will be coming up pretty soon. Yeah, there we go. Got to Be Glued. There you go. So I'm just going to spray it all over my hairline. Some parts of it will be in my hair, but I'm trying to concentrate more on my actual forehead, or my 3-head. I don't have a very big forehead, so that makes it kind of tricky sometimes to pull wigs down to completely cover my salt and pepper hairline. But as you can see with this unit and the way they made it, they did a really good doggone job. Now, I know I am not the best when it comes to making ball caps. In fact, I've never even done all that. But I can imagine if I really did a ball cap method, it would look really super perfect. But for me, being a simple kind of gal that I am, you know, this is really nice to have this. And maybe the most I need to do to send you down is just that Got to Be Glued. And I found that so far that's been working out really, really good. I'm not sure how well it'll work out if I was actually exercising or sweating like a hog or a pig. I'm not sure how it would work, but maybe one day I'll find out. But for now, all I'm doing is customizing a little bit more. Some of the hairs, the kinky hairs that gotten straightened from when I wore the unit with a lot of Got to Be Glued on there. So, you know, so I'm just cutting it down. About to put in this water, squirt some water in, just plain water, because it already has product on the hair itself from when I co-washed it and styled it. So I just want to freshen it up with some water after I take those clips out, of course. And so then I'm going to do mostly a finger comb. That's what I'll concentrate on. Not so much the comb. I will use the comb to lift it, but other than that, I'm not going to really use it to comb down to the ends. I wanted to just minimize how much water I was putting on the hair because I really didn't want it dripping wet. I was on my way out and I wanted to kind of preserve the big haired look, as you can see here. So, of course, when I comb it out, I'm holding on to it because I don't want to lift up the hair, the hairline from my scalp, my forehead. But there's an area I noticed that didn't really get locked in very well. So I'm using my fingers just to kind of tuck in the hair, my natural hair, and keep the wig hair out, you know, where it could be seen and cover up. So I have kind of low sideburns. So I think I probably could use, I suppose if I waxed off my sideburns, it would be a nicer fit, but I just haven't gotten around to doing that. I've never really done that before. So I just live with what God gave me, y'all. So yeah, so I use a little bit more water, put in the moisturizer, finger comb it. It feels so soft. I love the way this hair feels. And it's human hair, y'all. All human. And I really do enjoy HerGivenHair's products. I have a lot of wigs, have a lot of units, but here's another one that's become one of my favorite. So, oh my goodness, I am just loving it. I love the natural color. This is the natural color black. It is not the dyed unit. So it's a nice soft off black, I guess you can say, or dark brown. And look at those edges. Look at it. It really looks like it's my hair. To me, it looks like it's growing right out of it. So I'm just like loving it. I'm so excited. I haven't seen myself look like this in a minute. But I hope you enjoyed. And go ahead and look in the description box. Y'all go ahead and catch that sale and find out what the information I put down in the description box will lead you Save yourself some money. Tell them Orbit Stephanie sent you. Until the next video, I want you guys to enjoy yourselves. Be loved, be blessed, take care. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. All right? I'll see you at the next video.